I thought this was an interesting question because apparently you're just looking at the strokes for the pattern. So if you notice, right, I guess I can illustrate that. I think it's easier if we capitalize our letter. So the whole point of this question is about patterning. So if you have one and this is I, right? And then you have two, which is L, right? If you notice, right, if you write I this way, that's just one stroke. If you have L this way, this is two strokes, right? One vertically and one horizontally. And then for the third one, you have F. Let's see. 2L and then you have 3F, yeah. So the third one is F. So one, two, three, right? That's three strokes. And then for the fourth one, you've probably guessed it, it would be E because it's one, two, three, four. Four strokes. So the next letter after four should be E. Yeah, so they're just looking at the, okay, design. I would say it's the stroke of the letters. So perfect solution and answer. So yeah, one is for I, then you have two lines for L, then you have three lines for F, then four for E. Perfect.